So, are you promoting affiliate products, but you are wondering how you can find a good, profitable affiliate product that you can promote? Just watch this short video and I will show you a good affiliate program that you can promote and make a big commission in return. Just watch this short video. Let me show you the website that you can go and start promoting now. So, the first website is Billo. Billo will pay you 30% recurring commission every time you send any client to them. So, any client you send, once they make sales, you will make 30% commission for life. Second website is Sofa SEO. Sofa SEO is a website that allows you to optimize your articles. So they will pay you 25% lifetime recurring commission anytime you send any client to them. Booking.com will pay you every time you send any client to them. This is how much you can get from Booking.com. 5%, 30%, 35%, 40%. That is how much you can make by using their affiliate program. Namecheap is a website that allows you to host any website at all you want to hold. Let me say you want to create a website, you can come to Namecheap. It's a place where you can find a very affordable domain. So you can join the affiliate program, promote their services, and anyone you send to this platform and they make any purchase or buy a domain and hosting, you will get a commission by doing that. Those are affiliate programs I want to show you. All I want you to do for me is to share this video, let me know what to think, and follow me for more great videos like this.